So your names are on the left, your teams are on the right. Zaha down here at the bottom has the Commanders in the last spot. Again, this is 23 Phoenix Hobby PYT 229. Again, make sure you check those item descriptions for the details of this month's sweepstakes. No purchase necessary, ends at the end of the month. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto of this break for 20 in credit. We should have 2 autos, 1 mem card per box on average. Let's get started here. Good luck to everybody in this break. John. Here we go. We got 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Again, we should have 2 autos and 1 mem card per box on average. We have the ultra rare inserts such as the Enfuegos, the Genies that I don't know if that's new this year. I don't remember that one from last year. Then we'll have some numbered parallels as well. You guys are getting those guesses in for the player on the last auto of the break. Here's our 12 packs. There's our empty box. Good luck to everybody in this one. Again, this is our first of 2 Phoenix breaks tonight. There's Donta Foreman going to the Bears spot. Then we have Brandon Ayuk, Nolan Smith. Is this an auto right away? We have one of our 2 autos. Let me go a card off the back here. That's a Flamethrowers, Baker Mayfield. Our Nolan Smith rookie. And then we have Darius Davis on the pink rookie auto right there. Darius Davis out of 99, 10 out of 99. Our first auto of the night. Darius Davis. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Get those guesses in. We have Nick Chubb, Marvin Mims on the rookie. We got our silver Emmanuel Forbes rookie there for Washington. Kenny Pickett, that's going to be on the red. That is going to be out of 199, 61 out of 199. Geno Smith. So we have another Geno Smith. So I guess they got variations of each player here. And we have DJ Turner. There's a silver Josh Jacobs. We have a pink Flamethrowers. That's going to be Jordan Love for the Packers spot. 125 out of 175 right there. And we got another Geno Smith on the contours. It's a nice insert right there. A lot of Geno Smith in that pack. And the last couple packs there. The next pack, we start off with Russell Wilson, Tyreek Hill, Zach Charbonnet. Then we have possibly might be our mem. Nope, that's a filler. We do have Brock Purdy. It's a green Brock Purdy out of 125. That is 125 out of 125 right there on the Brock Purdy. Going to San Fran. And then we got a fired up Bryce Young insert right here for Carolina. Nice hit for the Panthers. DeAndre Swift for the Eagles. Devonta Smith for the Eagles. Deonta Banks, rookie for the Giants. And then we got a green rookie, Rashee Rice. That is out of 25. 9 out of 25 on the Rashee Rice. Going to the Chiefs. And we got a J.K. Dobbins. All right, we'll open this pack and then we'll top load what we have. Let me make sure this isn't our second auto here. No, that's just a patch. So Tyreek Hill, Jordan Addison rookie. We'll do the patch last out of this pack. Then we got a pink Brenton Strange. That is out of 199. 123 out of 199 on that one. One to the Jags. And then we got a Fire Forge Tony Dorsett going to the Cowboys. And then our Mem. That's going to go to the Chargers. Regeneration. Quentin Johnston, Mike Williams, and Charlie Joyner are the 3 Mems on there. And that is going to be out of 10. 6 out of 10. Nice hit there for the Chargers spot. Let's get these top loaded here. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 and credit. Up next after this one is going to be our Certified Football Hobby box. Certified Football Hobby is up next. You guys still have time to get your guesses in for that last auto. We should have 1 auto left in here. There's typically 2 autos per box on average. Now, if one of the autos is replaced by Panini points, we will random those to someone in the break. We will be back again on Wednesday and Thursday this week as well. We got some breaks scheduled, so if you guys want to buy spots into those, now is the time. There is a link at the top of the chat. Get these top loaded, then we'll finish up this break. So tonight we have a little bit of football, a little bit of baseball. We had a couple spots available before we went live. I don't know if those are sold out now. But we got a couple stadium clubs. We got the logo fractor, Topps Chrome Black. Still to come tonight for you baseball fans. All right, got one more here to top load, then we'll go through the rest of the packs. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Yep, that might have our auto in there. Set that one aside. What do we got here? Must be a filler there. There's Christian McCaffrey, Sean Clifford rookie, Travis Kelce on the silver. One of the Chiefs. That is a filler. We got a red fired up of CeeDee Lamb, or is that a pink? That is out of 199, 194 out of 199. The CeeDee Lamb. Fired up insert. Then we have Micah Parsons. We got 4 packs left. Oh, and the one on the side. So we have technically 4 after this pack. There's Von Miller, Isaiah Pacheco, Riley Moss, Russell Wilson on the pink. That is 112 out of 175 on the Russell Wilson going to the Broncos. And we had the Flamethrowers, Derek Carr for the Saints. Deshaun Watson, Michael Wilson. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, it's just a numbered contours. That's a really cool one, though. That is Jordan Addison. On the contours out of 150, 77 out of 150 on that one. Going to the Vikings spot. We have a purple DK Metcalf. That is out of 99, 37 out of 99 on the DK Metcalf. Going to Seattle. Playing with fire, Nick Chubb insert right there. Going to Cleveland. Cooper Kupp. Dylan Horton. Another Geno Smith. There's Silver Geno. Henry Tioto. Out of 150. 119 out of 150 going to the Texans. And we have Aaron Jones. Our last couple packs coming up. How about Jordan Love? Brian Barisi. Our color burst, Justin Fields. Those are not numbered. They're typically like one per box. And we got a pink Justin Fields to follow. Going to the Bears spot. That is out of 175. 134 out of 175. And we got a Bryce Young rookie rising. Going to the Panthers. And our last pack with our auto there. So to the side we got Hot Routes. That's Jordan Addison. Christian Kirk. Javon Dexter. Playing with fire, Mahomes. And our final auto, that is going to be Marvin Mims on the dual patch auto. Right there for the Broncos spot. Nice hit for the Broncos. That's going to be out of 199, 170. Out of 199 on the Marvin Mims dual patch auto for the Broncos spot. Really like the looks of this year's Phoenix, especially that contours. Insert looks really nice. Marvin Mims was the guest of the break. If these top loaded, we'll do our recap, then we'll move on to our certified break coming up next. We didn't have anybody guess Mims in that one, but we will do a guess throughout the breaks tonight. We have more Phoenix breaks listed if you guys want to hop into those. Grab your spots. Doing another Phoenix break here either tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday this week, I know. Super Bowl is Sunday, guys. Who do you have? Who do you think's going to win? It's tough to bet against Mahomes, but the Niners are still favored. All right. Let's do our recap here. We'll move on to our certified break right after. A silver Travis Kelce fired up out of 199. CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys. Russell Wilson on the pink out of 175. Jordan Addison on the contours, I believe green out of 150. Purple DK Metcalf, that was out of 99. Geno Smith silver. And we got Toto out of 150. On to Houston. Justin Fields on the color burst. Pink Justin Fields out of 175. Going to the Bears spot. Bryce Young, rookie rising. Emmanuel Forbes, silver rookie. Kenny Pickett, that was a red out of 199. Silver Jacobs, a pink. Jordan Love out of 175 there. On the flamethrowers, pink. Geno Smith contours, that was not numbered. Marvin Mims was our second auto in the guess of the break. A dual patch auto right there. That was out of 199. We got a lot of Chiefs guesses in here. Out of 125, it's tough to bet against Mahomes. Out of 125, Brock Purdy. Fired up Bryce Young. We have a Rashee Rice, rookie receiver for those Chiefs. Out of 25, 9 out of 25 on that green. Brenton Strange, pink, out of 199. Tony Dorsett on the Fire Forge. Then we have the three-patch, green three-patch regeneration. That's Charlie Joyner, Mike Williams, Quentin Johnston. That was out of 10. 6 out of 10 going to the Chargers. And our first auto was the pink Darius Davis out of 99. 10 out of 99 on the Darius Davis. All right, guys, that does it for this break. Up next is our certified PYT 208. Let's get that list pulled up. Get your guesses in for this next break. You do not